Welcome back to London Tamil Sisters. Today we're going to be making spicy chicken fry. So let's start. So first we need 300 grams of chicken. Salt to taste. We're adding 1 teaspoon. We're adding chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Half teaspoon of garam masala. Half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to mix them together. We're using our hands to do this. Now we're going to crack an egg. We're adding half cup of gram flour. And a quarter cup of white rice flour. We're adding this for crispiness. We're adding some oil, 1/3 cup. Mix them all together. We're going to add some lemon in. Mix all together with your hands. You have to set this aside for a minimum. You're going to set this aside for a minimum of half an hour. You can set it aside for more than that, but we're just going to set it for half an hour. So now we're going to pour oil in the pan and we're going to fry the spicy chicken fry. Now we're going to fry the chicken. Wow, look at this. Now our spicy chicken fry is ready. So if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye.